Brenda. Listen, Brenda. We don't want no problems. Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They were kind of send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this very easy beginner-friendly install, yes, I said easy. Yes, I said beginner-friendly. Yes, I said install. Okay, because this is a curly unit install that did not take a lot of work. The unit pretty much comes ready to go out the pack. Okay, just put her on, define the curls if you want to, and go. Featuring this new clean bleach hairline. I mean. Are we seeing what I'm seeing or not seeing? So make sure you stay tuned for the install. It is also sipping slay, and your girl got her mug today because I'm drinking water. I got a detox for the week, so I have to get my water intake in. So if you'll be so kind and support some wine for your girl, okay? Poetry in motion. Go ahead and pour it up for your girl. Okay, cheers. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off. Give up and fall, rise above it all, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again, so sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Pushing me down, feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall, rise above it all, beat all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection, and every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean.
Did you watch the install to see how I got from A to B with the quickness, okay? This was a quick install, y'all. I didn't even define my curls a whole bunch because I wanted a really big lioness bushy look. That's kind of my vibe right now, so I'm really here for that. But like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. It is their Aubrey curly hair unit. It comes in this ombre highlight color as well as 16 or 18 inches and 160% density. You can also get this cap in a medium or a small. You can also choose your InvisiScalp color, so that's cappuccino, mocha, or honey. And did I mention it has HD lace with a clean bleach hairline? I think I did, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it again, okay? It is also pre-plucked and glueless, okay? So with that being said, all the specs that I got for my unit are right here on the screen, and I must say, y'all, she is sitting pretty. If you watched the install, then you saw how easy this was. I used one product to get my curls together out the pack. Went in with my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I worked it on through the hair. I didn't even bother parting it. I just went on and slapped her, you know, right on top and just worked her through. I didn't feel like doing all that today, okay? I wanted to give it a very effortless, bushy type of look, and I knew by putting too much product on the hair, it was gonna take a while to diffuse. I ain't had that time today, so I went on and did what I did, and y'all, she is looking good. Now, it does come with a left side part. Hairvivi, now you know, as many times as we have worked together, you know I'm a right side part girl, okay? I don't get down like that. So I had to repart my joint onto the right side, which is unfortunate because they really had that left side part hidden. It was nice and open and flat, like it just looked real good. So I had to do a little bit of work to get my part on the right side, and I should have went in and tweezed my part because I definitely know that they tweezed it on the left side, but again, I didn't feel like it, so I didn't. Or you can ask them before you buy, in case you are a right side girl, to put your part on the right side so you don't gotta worry about all the extra work, okay? As far as the gluelessness of this unit, it is glueless, okay? When I say glueless, I mean no glue, no adhesive, nothing on my hairline besides a little bit of Eco Styler gel, get these little swoops right here together, and that's it, okay? Do you see the hairline? Like, it looks good. Just imagine if I sprayed this joint down and melted it to my hairline. Listen, Brenda, this joint is on my head thanks to, not my wig grip, but thanks to the Piano Keys elastic band that comes in this unit, as well as the adjustable straps in the back. I put it down really tight, and because I don't have on my wig grip, I was able to tighten down the elastic band in the back to make sure this unit is glueless on me, okay? Now, when it comes to glueless units, you gotta be careful with them ear tabs, okay? So Hairvivi does have something called the V-shaped ear tab, so it's pretty much like a V shape here that contours around your ear, so you can bend it towards your sideburn to kind of, you know, alleviate that gappage. Now, depending on the size of your head, you may still have gaps like I do, but because of how I kind of like pressed this joint down and kind of, you know, pinned her back behind my ear, she pretty much good to go, okay? So if the wind blows, she's not gonna blow with it, but you may want to go ahead and glue this part down or pin it down just to make sure she's not gonna be flapping in the wind, okay? We don't want them problems, okay? We don't want no problems. When it comes to the hair texture, it's really soft. I didn't have no tangling with this unit. Now, I did get shedding with it, but tangling was a no, which is surprising for a curly unit. My little joint right here, my Felicia Leatherwood brush, glided through the hair just as nice, okay? No snags, no hiccups, no nothing. I am in love with this texture. It's not a kinky texture. It's more like a 3A, 3C texture. I do feel like the color is gorgeous on me. I was a little finicky at first because it is a little bit lighter, but they got the lightness correct. Like the brown does not match exactly to my skin tone, so it definitely has that, you know, that contrast or whatever. Son, come on. You ain't been out all day, now you want to show out. Like, it's really pretty, y'all. I am here for this. Like, just get into the hairline, okay? Just get into the hairline. Now, as always, Hairvivi, I don't necessarily need the InvisiScalp on mine. I mean, I know it's nice to have for some people if you don't want to wear a wig cap or whatever else, but the InvisiScalp for me is like pretty much clashing against my natural hair or my wig cap that I have under my unit. They bleach the entire frontal, so it's like you're bleaching the entire frontal, but then you're slapping a little scalp on top of it. Like, I feel like that's extra work. I'm just saying, I'm trying to help you out, okay, Hairvivi? I mean, I'm just saying, okay. So the last time that happened, I did ask Hairvivi about that, and they did say if you don't want the InvisiScalp on your unit, just go ahead and email them your order number and just say, hey, I don't want that on my unit, and they won't put it on there, okay? But yeah, so you can see what that looks like right there. I did put some powder up in there. That's what the InvisiScalp is looking like. The parting space goes back 6 inches, so you have a lot of parting space to work with if you decide to do some extra styles with this unit. I'm definitely here for it, y'all, so if you want to be here for it too, definitely go ahead and check it out in the description box. Hairvivi is known to be pretty expensive. However, they back it up with all the extras that come with their unit as well as the quality of their hair. But as I tell y'all all the time, I don't control your pockets, okay? I don't control your pockets. You don't gotta tell me it's expensive. I know, I already saw it. Even I was a little shook a little bit, okay? But then I looked in the mirror and I was just like, oh, okay. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. As always, I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment,